We are a team of engineers with a long experience in the field of solid wood painting. We design and implement solutions for the optimization of our customers' production processes. Over the years, we have developed new technologies with the goal to pursue higher and higher level of automation, quality finishing, energy saving, and environmental protection. With our expertise in windows and doors and counting hundreds of systems installed all over the world, a few years ago we embarked on a new challenge, the automated painting of large CLT panels. A very ambitious implementation that required great design effort, but which allowed us to mature a unique experience on the topic. For this reason, Stora Enso, a global leader in CLT, has chosen Finiture to respond to the growing market request of pre-painted, prefabricated panels. It is a very demanding project that involves our company's best resources. In fact, in addition to the highest construction standard required by Stora Enso, an extremely challenging task has been set for us in terms of dimension, weights, productivity, flexibility and quality of the process. Nevertheless, the excellent spirit of collaboration of the Stora Enso project manager is a great help in achieving the result. We, Finiture, are proud of our collaboration with Stora Enso. We are two very different companies in terms of dimension, structure and organization, but the same vision towards the future unites us.